First, we will see if we have access to our LinkedIn account or not. From an internet browser, go to linkedin.com. As you can see, I was already logged in to my LinkedIn account from this browser. This means I have access to my LinkedIn account and it has not been compromised. Now, from another browser where you are not logged in and having a problem logging in, go to linkedin.com. Input your username and password. Click Sign In. LinkedIn asks for a security check. Go through the security check process. In our case, it says pick the image that is the correct way up. After completing all the security checks, it says verification complete. But what is this? It says your noCAPTCHA user response code is missing or invalid. And it has taken you to the security check again. Let's give it another try. Click Start Puzzle. We're going to go through the audio puzzle this time. Correctly answer all the puzzles.
Option 1. Option 2. Option 3.
No.
After completing all the security checks, it says verification complete. And the same problem occurs again. You are taken to the security check page again. Now, what to do in such a situation? Click Sign In. Click Forgot Password. Input your linkedin.com email address. Click Reset Password. It says we sent a code to your email. Enter the 6-digit verification code sent to your provided email address. Check your email inbox and copy the 6-digit verification code. Paste the code here. Click Submit. If you have two-step verification activated in your linkedin.com account, it will ask for that authentication now. If you are logged in from another browser or you have a LinkedIn app installed on your smartphone, then you should receive a notification on all of your signed-in devices. On the received notification, you can tap Yes to confirm your sign-in attempt. For some reason, I didn't receive the notification on my signed-in devices. If you have an authenticator app set up for your linkedin.com account as a two-step verification, you can also verify using the authenticator app. Click Verify using authenticator app. Go to your authenticator app and find the code for your linkedin.com account. Enter the code you see on your authenticator app here. Tick the box Recognize this device in future if you want this device to remember your sign-in. This will make sure next time this browser will not ask for any two-step verification unless you reset your browser or clear your cookies. Click Submit. Now choose a new strong password for your linkedin.com account. I shared a link in the description below to our article on strong passwords from TQC Tech Talk. Have a look at that to make sure your password is indeed strong enough. You can tick Require all devices to sign in with new password to make sure all the devices that are logged in with your linkedin.com account requires to be signed in again with the new set password. Click Submit. As you can see, your password has been changed. You can add a phone number for extra security. Click Add Phone Number. For security reasons, you will receive a 6-digit code in your email. Input the 6-digit code here and click Submit. Enter your mobile number, select your country, and input your LinkedIn password here again. Click Send Code. You should receive a 6-digit PIN to your phone number. Input this 6-digit code here and click Verify. And you should be good to go. Thanks for watching.